So today I got a update on steak. So we're going to look at this update because I updated and say what new, click to explore the update. So let's go. Improve spread and performance. Lighting updates to the share detail page for rapid load times. Next. Ratings and company data. Gain deeper insight to help you analyze analysts. You will really need, I think it was free, but at this moment it's not a fee they're charging. It's free until end of this year. So, full company financial details. That's really cool. See the full picture. I think it was free, but at this moment it's not a fee they're charging. It's free until end of this year. So, full company they're charging is free until end of this year. So, full company financial details. That's really cool. See the full picture with full report financials on all company. Next. So if I go onto my favourite company, I pay different to Brookville. So I like the new setting. So yeah. So yeah, showing the earning that's new. The balance sheets. But if I want to look at the full financial detail, I have to have state black. That's really good. So got the news. I'm trying to look where the ratings is. There should be a rating here. Telling you, is it a buy? It's really good. It just show you the average price, the highs, the low, the different yield. Kind of not showing you the score. I thought it will show you the scores, and that's important because I think it should be on every one of them to know, is there a good score? I think that's the score there. Share per ratio 8 point. So let's go back. Let's click on kilos. Oh, okay. Because I bought it, I think now realise. Because I bought it. And so if you look down, analyst rating. So here it's 100% successfully sell. I thought, okay, it's a great time to sell from analysts. Let's look at others. Let's say Prestico. See what I say. I mean, because I didn't buy it, that's why. And here it's 100% hold. Okay. Let's check one more. Okay, this one says 75% to buy. Okay, we like that. So nothing have changed. So yeah. So if you really want to sign up to Stake, I just have to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you really want to sign up, you can just download the app, just type in Kieran W759 and deposit £50 into the account, or a creation to $50 if you're from Australia or New Zealand. Yeah, so yeah. This is available for Australia and New Zealand. But if you're from Brazil, August time is the time that actually will be available for people from Brazil. So if you are from Brazil, you can use this code we're actually officially launch for people in Brazil. So yeah, and then you can get a free share of GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. So yeah, so remember, like my video, subscribe my video, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.